AA Dependable Service started business in 1992, specializing in major appliance repairs. Our technicians are all factory trained and certified. We offer same-day service on all major appliances, including washers, dryers, refrigerators, dishwashers, microwaves, ranges, ovens, cooktops, and water heaters. AA Dependable Service is family-owned and operated and cares about personal customer service. We are located at 7454 Old Alexandria Ferry Road in Clinton, Maryland. Give us a call today, 301-645-6881, or visit us online at www.aadependableservice.com.